Welcome to Ubicod. Today, we will show you how to update items in Monday.com with QR codes. Let's get started. We'll break it down into 3 simple steps.
Step 1. Create the user interface. This is the screen your users will see after scanning a QR code.
Step 2. Connect Ubicod to our Monday.com board.
Step 3. Generate a QR code automatically for each item created in Monday.com. Let's dive into each step and get your app up and running in no time.
Let's create the interface. Before we continue, you should create an empty Monday.com board. You only need a status column with standard labels in order to complete this tutorial.
To create an interface, go to the Interfaces menu and then create a new interface. Select Single Choice. Create a button for each Monday.com status that you want to track. For instance, configure Done as button 1, Stuck can be referenced as button 2, and Working will be button 3. You can change the colors of the different buttons. For instance, you can use the green color for the Done status. You can use the red color for the Stuck status. Give a new name to your interface. We will use Monday.com demo interface in our case. Now, click on the Create button.
Let's connect Ubicod to Monday.com. Now we need to connect Ubicode to Monday.com. To do so, go to the Dispatch menu. Create a new dispatch and select Monday.com update item. Create a new connection using the plus icon. Click on Login into your Monday.com account and authorize the connection in the pop-up screen. Now, you can select the Monday.com board you want to connect. In our case, we will map the status column and the data label column. Rename the dispatch and click on Create.
Now, we will use the Ubicod app for Monday.com to automate the creation of the QR codes. Do not forget to install the app in Monday.com before going ahead. The installation link is provided in the comments of this video on YouTube. Now we will add an automation to our Monday.com board in order to create a QR code for each item that will be added into the board. To do that, we go to Automate and then search for Ubicod. You should see this icon with orange and blue color. Click on Create Uber Tracker and use the template you wish. 2 billing options are available. Click on Continue to authorize your account to access your Monday.com data. On my side, I've already done this, so maybe on your side, you will need to click on Authorize to continue. Then wait a few seconds before you can configure the automation. Be patient, it can take a few seconds. Now select the interface that we created previously. Do the same for the dispatch. Add a new link column. This column will contain the link to the interface of this item, and this link will be transformed into QR code later. Now we can test our automation. Let's create an item called Test Item. When you add an item, a link is automatically created, and this link will open the interface we created earlier. If you need to print multiple QR codes, you can export the board with the links and use your own tools to convert it into QR codes. To see the QR code of the item directly in Monday.com, click on the item and add an item view. Search for Ubicod. Add the view. Configure the QR code. Select the link column. Select a size. We are ready. If you scan this QR code, you will see the interface that we created earlier, and you can change the status of an item by clicking a button. Use right-click to copy the QR code.
Now, you can update your items with a smartphone just by scanning a QR code and selecting a status. You can apply this method to any type of column. We saw how to update a status column in Monday.com.
We can also update several columns of any type, even geolocation. And of course, you can use the usual Ubiquot feature like geofencing or pin code protection.
I think we covered all we needed to talk about. Right, Jazz?
We did, Francesca. Thanks for watching.